Babe, what are you doing outside?
I just started to wait for you outside today.
Waiting for me since when?
Just today.
You know you're not supposed to be under the sun. Yeah, now let's go inside.
Right.
You're going, I'm watching you.
Oh, this Lagos road, eh?
So what's up my people on a day? It's your boy OBIKING. Welcome back again to another episode of what I do best, comedy reaction. So as usual, make sure you watch to the very end. You understand? Watch to the very end and tell me the favorite part of the video. And in case you're yet to subscribe to my channel, this is the perfect opportunity to do that. Subscribe, drop nice comments, and share my video. You feel me? So don't play, my people, don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Hey, Betty, oh no, this is Chelsea. That didn't make me the receipt. Don't give me some Chelsea. Well, there's somewhere then, guys. Okay. And I didn't know fall in love with any girl. Oh no, what for your matter? I go proclaim the love I have for you to the world, to everybody be let's see.
Shaggy, is that so?
Is that so? This is bad. Come, if not they go get jealousy spirit, you are the look.
Why not go get jealousy spirit for my body? See, I don't like sharing my mouth with anybody.
Yeah, no family. See, nobody fit share you with me. Flash here. This is where you talk on gun. I have 1 year. You don't bust my head. Why Anna?
Go Shaggy, wait. You just say this is a small boy could go figure out this my big nyash.
You know what? This my back. I
see that big nyash.
Family.
Okay.
Baby.
I want to see you.
Yeah.
You better get big nyash.
Let me say to you. Calm down. Yeah, wear it. Safety first. Yeah.
What type of plane? This is plane.
You can help.
I don't do it.
You don't have me savvy. What's in now?
You know they start time for hand. Suppose they press and start for hand.
Do you know what?
You sure say this thing will be
I go stop here. Wait
I'm not too cool.
Wait, I know that. Which one say make I stop you? You know see bike where I carry. This one a new NX bike, now original bike. And as today like this, you get strong suspension. Wey be say, if you enter any gallop, you no worry, just stay with you. Oh yeah, hold me tight. Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, bole. Betty.
You people see my knocker again.
Oh yeah, now I can't go my house, eh?
This bike like the real MVP.
You want?
Oh man, he make the journey very smooth. I don't just gallop away from my area. I don't go feel am.
Filament. Tell me another you say new NX bike like the ready. As they like this, he dey strong, he dey durable. You rugged.
You dey just fuel.
Fuel from where? As they like this, fuel where I buy inside 3,500, T5. Now I buy 6,000. I take this.
Oh, you dey lie. You dey exaggerate.
You say love me well.
No.
And you can do anything for me.
Yeah. Oh no.
Oh yeah, give me this your bike.
Make I wait it.
Give me this bike so that I'll be able to run around and remember the love you promised me.
Who promised you love?
You know.
Me I promise. Leave out. Me I promise you. Make I give you my new NS. He shot you. Oh my funny sound. Okay, you know what here?
Something way back.
Make it no be like say, I no care about your safety. Use this one, guys. For your safety, oh. See how you be like Batman.
You can go.
No, I dey go.
Make her work hard, eh? Work hard, sweat.
Use this one, guys. You still give me something now. You still give me something. New NX.
You baby have fun now. Don't do this junction here to make her wait for you. I don't stand there and see. What did they happen?
Ndubaby.
Now you have to follow top of phone. I dey call you since you waste my time. What happen?
Baba, no they follow me the shark because of naira. No try am.
No be naira, la dollars.
Na dollar.
Na dollars.
Baba, if na dollar, carry am come no dollar. How many dollars?
You baby like $5,000. You know my guy they work for 5 years. Time don't reach to settle me, but the man they abroad. Okay. So like this morning the man call me, say one send me $5,000. Man, start my life. Baby, you go fit pick this money.
Baba, listen to me. My eyes are active like a shower. No be libido. Na transaction they turn us on. Carry the come the stress, baby.
The stress, baby. Ndubaby mark by me now.
Give on this one. This one are sure US friendly, Aga.
Sense, confirm.
$5,000. Papa, pace me your cool down. Ma send me cool down.
I will pace your cool down. Baba don't carry 30%.
Hey. Baba, get limit issue.
You buy one.
This man has only 4,009 if you wrong. But that one less. Mo just enter bank. Ma enter inside. Ma withdraw. Convert to naira. Paste you.
I'm sure Mo go bank again. No, you say you go send the money.
Baba, listen to me. Rates don't change. I just enter bank. Ma go update my hazard. Not a stress, baby.
Mo dey go the bank, abi? Mo dey go.
Boss. This one when knife they fall out from your jacket.
Don't worry. There's more where that came from. Mo dey go.
There's more.
No be you say Mo dey go bank. Mo dey go now.
No worry. Just call the account number back.
Call her, man. Roll her for her.
022 33 44.
I don't run now.
No, see. It's complete though. Wow. I don't know how this guy is dangerous.
And slaughter now fully do business. God, I beg you. Let this man no kill us.
If I don't run her now.
It's not too late, we can work it hard. Personne are blessé, are auto blessé. No one needs to get the fucking heart.
Have you not hurt us enough?
I think this is the US that's in Burkina Faso.
Water, we need to protect Africa.
Freedom.
Don't worry, go. I will cover you.
They don't shoot her. Hey! I'm not a shooter. Yeah?
Why, Broda?
He promised me a house in Paris, shared ownership of our gold and other resources.
They still shoot him too. Yes. Save Africa.
Songo, yeah.
I don't need to explain anything to you.
Mombali
You understand it yourself.
Kasongo mbona wewe. Songa libala. Oh yeah. Kasongo mbona wewe. Mbona wewe. Mombali nanga
I can't wait to off your parts for you. I can't wait to devour you.
Oh my God, Jesus.
When you get caught
What's going on?
you are rich.
What's going on?
This is my extended cousin. My extended cousin, I was telling
What do you
you
mean by your
about.
extended cousin? I know your family members. I don't know this girl. Babe,
No, she just joined your family. Babe, come here, just come here. I know what to do now. Come here. Why are you always screaming? Why?
what's going on now? Why are you with another girl?
You get money now.
I'm taking care of you. What's on your cart? Let me clear it this time. The hair, the bag, the shoes you want to buy from Paris. Don't worry, I'll get you a shoe also.
You should be cheating on me now.
Babe, don't worry. I'll clear your cart.
I think you would have gone to a hotel outside or somewhere else. How are you doing
Just
this
get
now?
money.
So you just came to my extended cousin. That's what I'm saying.
Yes,
Like that.
everything.
Everything here, 2 million. Okay, baby, I get you.
Are you serious?
Yes, I get you, mama. Oh, don't be shy. I'll just go to the kitchen, okay?
I can join you, babe.
You can join. Okay, baby, come here now. Let's not be sharing. Guys, let's stay happy together.
Just get
Happiness
one.
is key. Oh my gosh, my grandma told me to stay happy.
Just get money.
Give me the phone. Nonsense. What is that? Okay, now my phone now. How is your phone? Now my phone be this.
He took my phone.
Now your phone be this. I go enjoy you. Okay, now I go enjoy you. How is your phone?
He's a thief.
Okay, now my phone now. Why they talking here? I know you before.
Shut up, you collected my phone just now.
Now your phone be this.
It's mine, sir.
Now your phone be this. Now my phone now. Is this your phone?
Yes, sir.
Is this your phone? Yes,
Thief.
sir. Oh, I will know the thief because this boy Let me know. If it's your phone, what's the password of this phone?
It's 795.
You open now. On your phone now.
You see, thank God that's my
Guy.
phone. Sir, please, can I have it now?
Bima. Boo-boo.
She don't text that Bima. She don't tell them. She don't tell the password. What the record is your ex?
I've been on the road long time, you know. Consistency.
Waiter.
You say wait, I dey hear you.
Pepper soup now. No verse, I'll carry her come. I won't just give these people drink now. Guy, do fast now. I dey come, no verse. Sir. The drink you're that for? No. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Ma, this is your drink, ma.
Thank you.
Favor!
Julistus!
Hey!
I don't understand what's going on here.
It's my ex.
Yeah. See, Favor. Ever since you left me, I've been looking for you.
Not you.
Favor. That my hoodie where you borrowed 2 years ago, I beg, I need them. I beg.
What's going on?
Seriously? What's this? What's the meaning of all this? What's the meaning of this nonsense?
I beg, I need my hoodie.
This is my boyfriend.
Chairman, I beg, I feel see my hoodie for your hand.
So you have a boyfriend?
So you have a boyfriend? Waiter.
Let me even this guy.
Pepper soup now. You be ingrate. You see, sir, they settle couple issue. They disturb me.
Are you?
How you take concern now?
After everything.
Please don't do this to me now.
Chairman,
Eh?
thank you for what you do for me.
Baba, now wetin man fit do for man? I said to go. Mo just dey go. No worry. Wait. I never still collect my hoodie. Oh. Amos!
I found my bro!
Sure, I beg.
Bro, what's up?
I don't do this estate since. Now you just come this estate. You won't knock all the gates on this estate finish. You don't feel like they're finished, you know.
Bro, they are feeling the boy. Let them feel it. What's up?
They're feeling the bomb. You know, so this girl, my boyfriend is stay for this estate.
That one no consign me now. She will feel the boy. Me too go feel her too.
No, Wala, everywhere good. They're feeling you, Abi. That your boyfriend be this now?
And the boyfriend.
Shit!
That's why they don't reach. You don't pass Lexus. If I hear.
Bro, hi! Our boyfriend is come, I know!
Oh, no, enter inside your car. I will be your car.
Babe, what are you doing outside?
I just decided to wait for you outside today.
Waiting for me since when?
Just today.
You know you're not supposed to be under the sun. Oh yeah, now let's go inside.
Okay.
I'm going, I'm watching you.
All this Lagos road, eh? Jesus.
One man picking.
Maybe even the guy get the car.
Do you have a girlfriend?
I'm very single. I don't have a girlfriend.
Really?
I don't have a girlfriend.
You don't have a girlfriend?
Yes. Why?
Your girlfriend sent me to ask you.
Oh. You don't tell us. Oh, wait, went to stay with the married.
Achoo!
Bros, well done, no.
Well done.
I beg, if you help me hold this bag, I be one see person for front. I beg, I no one carry the bag, bro. But I dey come back and collect.
Make I help you hold bag.
If anybody asks you, tell them say na your bag. I dey come, I wan go see person there.
Hey! No problem now. No worry, the bag they safe with me. Go where you dey go, make you come back.
Okay,
I dey wait for you. Wait, make I help you hold bag wey contain something. Now only Mumu go still stand here dey wait for you. This bag don't go. Hi. If na money dey inside, I don't make am. Make I find where open this bag. Check wetin dey inside.
Young man, excuse me. Come, excuse me.
Officer, good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Where you go?
I dey go house.
They go house.
Okay, they live for here.
I dey live here.
Okay, where you dey come from?
I dey come from somewhere.
They come from somewhere.
Yes, sir. Okay. I need you to have that bag. Okay, this bag. Let me get them on my own. Yeah! Okay, you are the owner of the bag. Yes, sir. You are the owner of the bag. Come here. Jesus! So you are the owner of that bag. Officer, what's happened? So now you they give us stress almost 1 week now. Yeah! Officer, what's happened? I know that's which one be what happened. You know since when they find this bag? Mm-hmm. Officer, I not be criminal now. You know not you the carry worker. Open the bag. Officer, I not be criminal now. My friend, will you open that bag for me? Officer, nothing this in my bag. Open the bag. I be Baba. I just come back from saloon. Jesus! You be Baba, Abi? That's you see set that bag so. It resemble clipper for your eye. Yeah! Can I come and say? Hey! Now clipper be this? Not be juju be that. Officer, let me get this bag. If they go our place. Officer, let me get this bag. You get this bag. That's you carry come and clipper. Come on, they go our office. Officer, let me get this bag. It's not because back. This guy will wear. Now one get give me for front. Make I just talk the truth. Now one get give me for front. If I use my hand, follow you, eh? You carry bag, they follow body since you don't know this. Even whether you know okay clipper or where. If get cool time. That's office now.
Which language are going to speak for us?
Shut before ministers they come.
Public funds. Name the
agricultural education. I collect. Health education. I collect. Pipe-borne water. I collect. So serious. Road education. I collect. Road. Yes, now. This road again. Last year you took road. This year road. What is where are your community going to work on? You won't call. No, this pipe-borne water we collect last year. Wait till you want make your people drink. Please.
Wow, governor and minister, what's going on here?
As you can see, we are just sharing public funds.
Oh, I thought it's something criminal.
No, not at all, not at all.
Just a normal embezzlement. I got an information that there's illegal activity somewhere. You know, but anything for the boys?
Well, of course, you can keep the security allocation as usual.
Yeah. Boys, what's this?
All right, so Jesus.
This is a useless man that has been embezzling our money. When I go to say I don't work again.
Put him in room 455,000.
Why are you taking me? Why are you taking me?
To our office.
What did he do now? What did he do?
But for now, we don't know. But we'll figure things out. Give us some moment. We are that creative. We'll create 1 or 2 and put on his head. They want your country.
They want your country.
You cook? Wait a minute.
Tell us to abuse of our
Your hair like cocoa. Say your eye dey like fork eye. So much way never brush since last week. If I no go to for another person's house, come on and ask. And I no go see food shop.
Jesus!
What you talk? I don't talk wetin I talk. Nothing you feel do.
Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
I don't mark your face for today. I go cash you, no? Don't cash me, make I see you. I go cash you. I go bust you. I mean, this girl get my coat for me. No one.
I am more dangerous.
So, I don't remember Koswa for Kosra again. I go Kosra.
Hey, mama, they go come back here.
Brother, leave me up.
Be evil man.
Hey, for the neighbor food no sour and I need a seafood chop. Are you okay? Fuck! So now me wipe your mama, now you dey cost like that. Mama, beg, I don't know say na you. Now that girl up, you won't go come before.
And then will you go back inside or see so?
Mama, beg, make I go cost that. Calm down.
Why did you get stupid?
I don't mark your face for today. Even at 10 years time, sir, I go see cost you my cost for I won't cost. Oh, I can't even stupid.
Everybody don't crazy.
Everybody
don't mad.
They don't collect the best one.
Fast.
Wait for it.
Madam, hey. Give me that phone. The phone. Yes, madam. Wait. Bring the nylon.
Bring waiting.
See this man, bring the nylon. What's the one?
Collect Fanta.
Give me. Give me my food. What is your problem?
See this man, no?
Come on your hand, nothing.
They collect phone, you no bother.
I don't get problem with you. Shebi you collect my phone. I worry you.
So you
I talk to you. Give me my food, Joe. See, I dey hungry, and anytime when I dey hungry like this, I know they get joy.
Oh, okay, what I? Give me.
I say, give me my food.
Tell you, man. Now food
Are
should
you
be
okay?
after.
I say you should come here.
Life in the
Come
90s.
here. Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, sir.
What's going on here?
I don't even understand.
You don't be talking to your engineer like this.
This is very well. Thank you, sir. You learn. You will learn. Thank you, sir. Stop shouting.
I'm gonna say mommy now.
They will train you outside if you cannot listen to me. Thank you, sir.
It's alright. Stupid boy.
I'll be talking to you doing like I have another child outside.
Come on, go and do what I want to do.
Stand up and get out of this place.
This generation, I will see now. No, see, let's see the
Go
soft for
inside
this
and wash
generation.
that plate now.
Mommy, please, I can't wash any plate. Leave me alone. Buy my mama for Okun. For that matter.
Are you okay?
Hey, I'm okay.
Go inside and wash the plate now.
Go and tell your pikin to wash plate now. What's happening?
Hey.
You see mommy attempt to like
Hey.
you are very silly.
Did I say you should touch him?
I just tapped him.
Did I say you should tap him? But she will not call me funny. She will not call me funny. Why will you touch him? Did I say you should touch him? That is not to my baby now.
Your baby how?
Why will you touch him? I'm talking to my son. You walk there. I'm going to say I can't know someone. Did I say you should touch him?
I'm sorry.
Call him.
Wait for just mind your business.
I'm sorry.
You're so yourself. No, you go. I don't even want to know what you do.
No one buy this.
I don't get anything.
One man begin.
Voila.
Good afternoon, sir.
Come here. Who's chasing you?
Nobody.
Why are you not running like that?
Nothing, sir.
Did you people later do the test today?
Yes, we did.
Come here.
Why are you stressing my life for Christ's
Let me see the results. I said let me see the results.
You don't feel now.
You are good play. Don't worry. You go cry.
19 over 20.
Yes.
You scored 19 over 20.
Yes, sir.
Are you serious?
Congratulations.
I'm proud of you. I'm proud of my daughter.
Daddy, thank you for always reminding me to read. All those late nights reading really helped me. Thank you, sir.
You see now, Abby? Oh, yeah, take care. Come now. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Greet your teacher now.
I already greeted him in my school.
My brother, so what do I owe this visit?
I actually came to talk to you about your daughter, Ifeoma.
I know now. It shocked you, Abby. She shocked me too. I saw her results. Yes, now this guy made me proud though. She has really improved. She made me proud though. Did I tell you? I'm surprised, Abby.
Yes, you told me, but I want to ease myself.
Don't worry, stay here. Calm down, be at ease. Yes, so this guy surprised me. Imagine she scored 19 over 20 in her test. I'm surprised though.
Say what?
Hey! She's got 19 over 20. I'll bring the result. Let me show him. Bring it now. Sit here now. She's got 19 over 20 in the test.
Ifeoma.
Sir?
So it has gotten to the point where you are now altering your result.
Sir.
You are now a magician.
You?
You are changing things from one form to the other.
I don't understand. Magician like how? Is my daughter Merlin?
I wonder.
Can you honestly look at me and say you scored 19 over 20 in this test?
Wait, my brother. Did you score 19 over 20?
No, see the paper
I said
now.
it. I knew something was fishy. I said it. 12. I call you split. I know. You scored 9 over 20. You know that one, Abby?
Dad, you don't add one. Oh. I added 9.
Now what about 20?
Okay, teacher, you said teach my daughter well now. Teach her well. Sorry for yourself, idiot.
Teacher, don't teach me nonsense.
Lakaka.
Person at the procedure of perfect. I don't know.
It be like this guy gets superpower. Now you this guy they use, but you do. Where the phone?
Jesus.
You Saluba. See me see wahala.
Where the phone?
Since they born me bros, I never thief before.
No, for sure.
If not be Juju, he can't beat me. He can't beat the person. He can't beat me.
My iPad is Mugo still. Okay.
He can't beat me.
Small phone till I iPad in my hand.
I'll punish you.
Small phone be like fun for your hand.
Okay.
And
What Africa needed the play so with What Africa is to play and win free cash online by playing with real people like friends and strangers. Very simple. Now just for you to download the app for your phone and then you start to play. The more you play, the more you win. Yes. And what make me carry their phone be this, so that if they play and then they win. I don't get phone. But wait, so why they personate me?
Me they personate you. No be my tailor picking you be. My tailor went for my clothes. Jane, no be my remaining material. They take so soon for you so.
Carry my now make they shout and make everybody hear.
This guy is Moscow, you know he gets sense. Anyways, thanks guys for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed yourself. I believe you enjoyed yourself. What's your favorite part of the video? Drop it right in the comment section, guys. Drop it right in the comment section. And you know what's up now. Do not forget to check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel and they are all fantastic. So check them out and subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do that, because it's very important for the growth of this very channel. You understand? So see you in my next one, guys. See you in my next one, and peace out.